Nakasan.
So this is how it feels like.
I got that.
You're intentional.
Yeah.
I got you doing that on film.
That was direct hit.
Yeah.